Hi there, it's Jacqueline from DIY Tribe. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how you can set up your MailChimp with Shopify. So what I have done so far is I have actually just logged into my MailChimp account. As you can see, I just clicked on my drop-down menu, and this is again after you've set up your account. You want to make sure that your site is connected by scrolling down to connected sites. And now I have already done this. And so on your site, you'll probably want to embed your Shopify link. So how you do that is you find your Shopify link by going into your Shopify account, which you've already set up. And I'm just going to move my picture. You want to go to your online store, click online store, and then you want to scroll down to domains. And so your domain name here is how you want to set up your original account with MailChimp. So that's how you merge the two together so that you can start using your Shopify products listings in your MailChimp newsletter. So I can show you that after as well. But we'll head back here to our MailChimp account. And on the MailChimp account, once that's set up, now you want to make sure that your lists are created. And so to create a new list, you just want to create list, and then just list your name. It could be retail, it could be workshops. I just have one list for my entire store, so it doesn't matter if people are shopping online or in the store, they get the same newsletter. And then put the default name on who you want it to be by, and then the campaign URLs. I usually do change them so that it says it's by Homeworks, etc. Designs. You have to also put where they found you, so you can create a where they found you from, update your contact information, and I do not enable a double opt-in, and I don't get notifications for when anyone signs up. But if you want to, feel free to tick those boxes as well, and then just click save. So you have created your list, and you have also set up your link to Shopify. Okay, so once you've created your list here, mine is Homeworks, etc. Design, then you shift to the right here and click on that down arrow under Sign Up Forms. So you want to click on that, and that will help you build or give you the HTML code for what you would like to put in your pop-up. So we are actually, now we're back in Shopify. And under Shopify, you want to click on Themes. Themes will then take you to this page here. And my current theme is Debut, and click Customize. And now I've added my email at the bottom. It just says join our newsletter list, subscribe. Under footer, simply click show newsletter sign up. So make sure that that ticky box is ticked. Okay, so again, go to form builder. Once you've gotten your list, actually, let me back up one more. So you've got your list, you click on the down arrow, you click sign up forms. You go to form builder, and then you select, which is linked to your list, and then you copy that URL, and you should be able to paste that right into Shopify. And let me go to my Shopify, and again, you go into footer, and then show newsletter. Now my newsletter's already been set up, so I believe that's why mine is showing. It's so easy because I've already put in my link. And again, every template on Shopify is very different. So I hope that this at least is getting you to find the navigation through MailChimp and through Shopify to find what you need to set up your newsletter. Bye.